Are you getting ready for the big game this weekend? Well, there's a one-stop shop for all the snacks you're going to need that will leave your guests coming back for seconds.
We've expanded this menu over the years, and we have a variety of different types of foods that are perfect for watching football, college or pro. So for example, we've got multiple types of wings. We have our buffalo wings, we've got pan-seared wings, variety of dips. We've got our basic green chili queso, and we also do this with chorizo. So we throw the chorizo in for all the meat lovers. Same thing with our white queso. This is a new item, the queso blanco. And we'll do one plain with jalapenos, and then we'll do one with brisket, roasted peppers, scallions, a little bit of onions. It's fantastic. Of course, we've got our classic traditional guacamole. This is another new item we've got. It's our jalapeno cheese dip. So we'll put jalapenos with smoky bacon and a blend of 3 cheeses, a little panko on top, and you heat it up, and it is awesome. A lot of these items we carry year-round, and you can find them. But we also add new items as we recipe and test and R&D things from our chef group. And like I said, we added a couple of new items this year, the queso blanco and the jalapeno cheese dip. So we're always looking to add and expand our menu. In addition to all of our national beer brands that we carry, we also have a lot of local craft beers that are very popular with our customers here in Dallas. You can find these items. They're available either online or in any of our 6 Dallas-Fort Worth locations. So once football season's over, we're right around the corner from Valentine's Day. And so we have a comprehensive, extensive chef-crafted menu for Valentine's Day. And we've added some new items this year. You can find that online now. And we'll also have items available in all of our 6 stores. You can learn more about Eatsies online at eatsies.com, as well as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. We're on all the social media platforms. If you've never been to Eatsies, in addition to all these specialty menus we have, you can come in and shop our stores for our everyday items. We have everything you could imagine all under one roof. It's a fantastic place to shop to get your chef-crafted meals for the taking.